Hi everyone, I wanted to provide a quick update on the status of the repair for my Insta360 X5. As you can see on this timeline, I submitted the claim on August 4th and I described the problem, what happened, that it fell when I was riding my Suron, that the camera is still functional because I did use it for about almost 2 weeks after it got damaged. The front lens was severely scratched, that the camera frame was accessories, scratches in the corners, and probably other damage that I didn't see. On August 20th, and sent me an email, 60 products. And if not, they were asking if I wanted to use my FlexiCare plan is on me, not on the repair center, that to do a quote. Cover all the costs for the parts, which came out to $71.98, or I could use the Insta360 FlexiCare for replacement. And in that case, I would only pay $31.99. So that is the option that I chose. Online. They processed my payment yesterday and they shipped it out. And I might be receiving it within the next couple of days. When I get it, I'm going to do another video with an unboxing and inspection of the repair. So I think it is fair to say that as of right now, a repair of a device of this quality. The repaired camera, or if they gave me a replacement, and then we'll test it out, and then we'll start recording 360 videos again. Thank you for watching.